Three-legged wonder dog. Got his new paws, rubber foot booty thing on, so he doesn't slide around. Hey, buddy, where you going? Where you going, dude? We gotta get in Vicky. We gotta get in Vicky the van. All right, so getting ready to take a drive in Vicky, started hearing the noise again, and it's not that loud, but you can hear it. Hold on. Oh yeah. She's making noise again. Well, look. Something at the top. And now it's kind of quieted down. But something ain't right. It's been fine for a week and a half. Oh, Vicky. Full review of these paws rubber things. We cut holes in the top so his foot could breathe because it's June. It's not super hot. This is the Pacific Northwest. There he goes. Hey, buddy. So he's got a little bit more mobility with that back leg. It doesn't slip out from under him as much, you know. A little more grippy. There's Vicky. There we go. We've removed the paws thing. Here at the park anyway. He was kind of pooped out, didn't want to walk back to the car. He'll do this, he'll just stop, take a break. I need a break, but now he's going. The A's starting to get a little tired already. Been down here for what, a whole 5 minutes, 10? Look at this view though. We got some flowers out in the long grass here. A couple of poppies, purple ones. And that view. So Everett Naval Station over there. There's a boat. But all in all, there's usually lots more boats out here. Fishing boats, crabbing boats, shrimping boats. There's a few out there in the distance. All right, Gunner, you ready to head back? He doesn't really need that thing on out here at the park, but it helps him at home.
Pick him up back here.
Okay.
And then he usually will lift, but he's probably tired. Come on, Gunner, let's go. Come on. Come on. But he's tired.
Get up, get in the van, Gunner, get in the van.
He says, no, you're going to have to pick me all the way up this time, Dad.
Get in the van. All right, here. There he goes. Insert Gunner. There he goes. All right. All right, back in Vicky, and things sound good. Yeah, this guy came by to say hi. Later, dude. Back at O'Reilly's with Vicky, gonna do the transmission mount, or at least compare prices. Do I order it online? Do I go to O'Reilly's for the warranty and the fact I can return it right away if I need to? We'll see. Okay, so just got out of the O'Reilly, and it's about 70 bucks for the motor mount here. I could order it online for 45, and they don't have it in stock, which, you know, we can order it, well, so can I, for about $30 cheaper. And something strange happened while I was in there. So the manager was there, and he kept going, like, everyone who walked in, he goes, "Where's your mask?" So this is being recorded early June of 2020 during the pandemic. And it was like, you know, he said that like to me, and then a few other people like, "Where's your mask? Where's your mask?" This is part of why I'm not a Lyft driver anymore, by the way. I couldn't imagine having to tell customers, every person that gets in the car, who's required to have a mask. And he didn't require anybody. He just said, "Hey, if you have a mask, please wear it," you know. But it was just kind of weird. Like, are they making him do that? And I know that employees have to have masks. And, you know, when I was a Lyft driver, now they're requiring drivers to wear masks, which makes sense. And honestly, it is, you know, my bad a little bit because it's courtesy. My son works at a QFC, a grocery store, and yeah, people in grocery stores really appreciate it when customers wear masks. Like, it makes sense. I get it. But at the same time, yeah, unless it's going to be mandatory, it's just weird to have to police that, right? Here comes Gunner. Come on, buddy. He's got it. He's got this. Boom, nice. Here you go, buddy. It's doing good. How's that back foot leg doing? How's them joints? How are them joints, buddy? All right, so we have a little, get some focus down here. We have a crack. You see that? Can you see? God dang it, there's just all this. Looks like the JB Weld. See that? That's not good. Let's inspect. Put the jack under her and inspect from underneath. All right, so an update on Vicky and Gunner. Gunner doing well. Seems like the joint stuff is working slowly, but he still had a hard time after that last walk in the last Gunner video. But Vicky here, I got her on a jack stand. We're gonna take a look at that motor mount bracket again, but as you can tell by the weather, this is not a day to be working on a car when you don't have a garage. So I've got other plans. You'll see that in the next video, the very next video. My wife and I collect vinyl. We've got a very interesting opportunity. Stay tuned.